Hello, welcome our Gear Research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best protein shakes for weight loss that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Orgain Grass-Fed Clean Protein Shake Vanilla Bean. As an active individual, it is important to get enough calcium to support bone strength and muscle function. Orgain nutritional shakes contain 45% of the daily value of calcium, so you can be sure you're getting a good dose. In addition to its calcium content, we like that Orgain nutritional shakes contain 20 grams of protein along with 11 grams of carbohydrates per serving, making this a bit more of a well-rounded post-exercise supplement. However, this amount of carbohydrates is likely still not high enough to support optimal recovery from exercise, so you might consider pairing it with carbohydrate-containing foods. Orgain nutritional shakes contain protein from milk protein concentrate, so they are not suitable if you are lactose intolerant or allergic to milk. They do, however, also make a vegan version with pea protein and chia seeds. It contains 21 grams of protein, 5 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of fiber. It is completely vegan. It contains organic pea protein, organic brown rice protein, and organic chia seeds. The Orgain Organic Protein plant-based protein powder has great benefits. Click on this video for more information. But just 3 grams, and it's sourced from ingredients like organic agave, monk fruit, and stevia. It's a great tasting protein shake that is filling and energizing and great for nutrition on the go, wrote one 5-star Amazon reviewer. I put a couple in the fridge the night before, and we each grab one in the morning. Number 2, Evolve Plant-Based Protein Shake, Vanilla Bean. If you are looking for a vegan protein shake, Evolve Plant-Based Protein Shakes are an excellent option. These shakes contain 20 grams of protein in the form of pea protein isolate. Pea protein, similarly to whey and casein, is a complete protein, meaning it contains all of the essential amino acids, the amino acids we need to obtain from the diet, as well as the branched-chain amino acids needed for recovery from exercise. 12 In addition to the high-quality protein, we like that Evolve contains vitamins vegans sometimes struggle to obtain. These shakes contain 15% of the daily value for vitamin B12 as well as zinc, and 25% of the daily value for iron. Evolve shakes have 15 grams of carbohydrates, with 10 of these grams coming from soluble corn fiber. Fiber has many health benefits, though this is a high amount of fiber for a protein shake and may cause digestive discomfort for some. Since fiber cannot be used as an energy source, Evolve shakes do not have many carbohydrates that can be used for energy. We recommend pairing them with a food source of carbohydrates. Please keep in mind that Evolve may contain soy, a major allergen. Number 3, OWYN Plant-Based Protein Shake, Dark Chocolate. OWYN plant-based protein shake packs in 20 grams of pea and pumpkin seed protein per serving in addition to 30% of the daily value of iron and 5 grams of fiber. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein, including the branched-chain amino acids needed to enhance muscle recovery. As an added benefit, OWYN contains flax oil, providing a source of omega-3 fats that you might struggle to obtain if you follow a vegan or vegetarian diet. It also contains a greens blend for additional nutrients such as iron, calcium, and potassium, which may be especially beneficial if you are an athlete. 11 We also like that OWYN plant-based protein shakes can be consumed by many people, regardless of your dietary needs. OWYN checks its protein shakes to ensure they are free from the top 8 allergens, including dairy and soy. It also comes in a variety of flavors, such as dark chocolate, coffee, and strawberry banana, so you will be sure to find one you like. Please note, however, that OWYN is sweetened with monk fruit, a sugar and calorie-free sweetener, so the shake only contains 10 grams of carbohydrates, which is lower than some other brands. If you are using this shake to recover after a workout, be sure to also eat a food source of carbohydrates, like a banana or pretzels, to help you adequately recover. Number 4, Iconic Protein Drinks Chocolate Truffle Protein Shakes. ALOHA, RD, CDN, doesn't often recommend protein shakes because many have excessive sugar, but these bottled drinks from Iconic get approval. I teach my clients to look for organic quality products with the highest quality ingredients such as non-GMO, grass-fed cow milk or vegan protein. This option is made with the former and contains 20 grams of protein and 4 grams of carbs, making it a great post-workout shake. Perhaps best of all is its delicious flavor that Amazon reviewers say tastes just like chocolate milk despite the fact that it has no added sugar. This is a high amount of fiber for a protein shake and may cause digestive discomfort for some. Since fiber cannot be used as an energy source, Evolve shakes do not have many carbohydrates that can be used for energy. We recommend pairing them with a food source of carbohydrates. Please keep in mind that Evolve may contain soy, a major allergen. Similarly to whey and casein, is a complete protein, meaning it contains all of the essential. Number 5. OWYN 100% Vegan Plant-Based Protein Shake. If you have dietary restrictions, OWYN's vegan protein shakes may be the best option for you. They're free of dairy, soy, gluten, eggs, peanuts, and tree nuts, plus they contain 20 grams of protein. The ingredients are pretty simple and straightforward, and the protein in it comes from pea protein, pumpkin seed protein, and flax, says New York-based registered dietitian nutritionist Sammy Brando. The shakes have earned over 3,900 five-star ratings on Amazon, with shoppers calling them absolutely delicious. This option does have more sugar than other protein shakes, with 5 grams per serving. We also like that OWYN plant-based protein shakes can be consumed by many people, regardless of your dietary needs. OWYN checks its protein shakes to ensure they are free from the top 8 allergens, including dairy and soy. It also comes in a variety of flavors, such as dark chocolate, coffee, and strawberry banana, so you will be sure to find one you like. The building blocks of protein, including the branched-chain amino acids needed to enhance muscle recovery. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.